So you want your rug cleaning, can we take it away? The answer to this is yes, we can. We are the only Wirral based rug cleaning specialist that has a factory cleaning system that is available to you to have your rugs cleaned off site. The reason why you'd like to have this done, I would suggest, is because we can then clean it, we can check it, and we can make sure that that rug is as perfect as it possibly can be before we bring it back to you. Now, the process we use is not a straightforward one. We actually have a special grid which we can vacuum the rug front and back, and what that does is it vibrates over the back of the rug, and the dry soiling will come out of that rug, and then we can then vacuum it front and back several times. We can then wet clean the rug or dry clean it depending on which is most suitable for your rug, and then we put it in our special drying facility which uses dehumidifiers and very powerful fans. The next day, usually we look at them the next day when they're dry. We would then take them down, inspect them again, and when we're happy with them, we'll bring them back to you. If there's any further treatments needed, for example, if they've got any nasty stains that we saw on them when we first started cleaning, if they haven't come out straight away, then we can use specialist stain treating systems for those, and then we can put them back on the drying rack and then inspect them again. When they're clean and dry, then we will then phone you up and arrange for delivery at your convenience.